Week 14. Shoot. I had a lot of limited time this week. Extra work, um, extra late work, which meant waking up extra late. Covering for somebody that was out sick. Um, let's see. That left just time to really mess around with melodics a lot. I'm on a 77-day streak right now, and I'm getting in at least 5 minutes a day, if not more. And I burned through a bunch of lessons this week at 1 or 2 stars that I'm going to revisit to, up my level. But it was more fun getting through them so that I can return to them and progress as I go. Um, Signed up for Splice. It's a site that has samples of drums and vocals and instruments that you can resample into the machine. They're easy to work with. The licensing's more fair. There's a program put in place for the licensing of the samples. Um, I I'm not sure if I will keep it after the trial, but I do like digging through it, and this is what I found in there. The drum kit. I did a lot of work on whenever the kick and snare comes in to get it to feel like it's pushing, moving air. Originally, it was trying to knock a filling out of my tooth whenever